Say white noise.
White noise.
Say white noise. Y'all know about white noise. The consciousness is dead. Lays next to horse's head on my bed. Rants like the crazy old man on the bench. Sounds like Lupe's words I never said. The 10 Commandments, message from Muhammad, and Buddhist monks, they all God sent. Listen to an atheist repent, life full of regrets. The buzz from an alcoholic, intoxicated, cause we run from the spirits. Only the drinkers, a bomb blast, the sound of raining kids. A silence witness says a lot deceased. Violence makes for quiet before they can speak. Leaving a do not disturb sign, hanging on a casket. Rest in peace. Even though while you live, you made a lot of noise and said absolutely nothing. Static. We'd rather be distracted and fall into a deep bliss, oblivious to the sounds of injustice, except when it's just us. We selfish. Huey warned us when the crack hits and still became addicted. Our own advice, we can't take it. Seeing self-destruction in the distance, a deaf ear echoes in empty heads. We somewhere else, lost in the car stereo. It's too loud, we have to turn it down just to find ourselves.